you are three points Elema, Minneapolis, Chama, Wosiaku, from Ibrahim Baba. Only is MPP, Regional Chairman. There's a move we have. Paswa Opa Romaso, Yellen Modinka, and Sabi, Yabayano, Yama Sunday, Yamadia Apapoma, Yamahai, Yamaya, of it. Demo, Yaka inside the Shilling Crown, Nayaka Net, Na Wakum, again, then I'm party. Yeah, but it's many parts in India for 2028. I'm praying and we are so big every end is one family. Now, make my sound. Now, something I said, better. People here over Brazil, Australia, over Lenas, Mama, primary, Mama, education, Mama, I university, Mama, university. Yes, over my same one constituency chambers resign one regional chairman resign against the history of our party. Behind the na society, say a baby, the ocean who our some now the chair where dear party anymore. Now, they continue now. It is not a child, I see we are. No one over me, reaching the venture. Send out party here. Therefore, 2028, Yamia, Papa, Yanana, Tanya, Doctor, I know we are in Franca, many Yokuma, Doctor, Nana, Grandpa, Alibaba, Babo, all the children, Yamia, Nana, Back, and our neighbor. Chairman and both and only birthday present, I mean, sir, say, no man, because every chairman now said, Jiraha, you may be near the 3 points, now be sharing. Now, oh, said, Nabrabo, the last of them, so now, every chairman now, the internet campaign.
Yes, to be market, just a video but there are 2 people in this party. So, when you are back to constituency, the meeting, and Mama is when you want to meet in any place in my constituency, you will forget about it. Yeah. Now, come back, my child. Bien aidé. Le reparti. Et au début, je suis mis d'ailleurs. Casa. Aussi encore, mais ça, quand il y a un parti, il y a un parti, il y a un polling station. Your friend is Mr. Constituency. Your friend is regional executives. Your also swap. Most of them are MP. MP kwa. Your Gobia, or your doctor, or your lawyer, or your teacher, Gobia, or for parliament. Okay, Yacha Ebimanu. Obi people here minister, and so Obi na party, no party, no, you go do and so they want to be a minister. You party or see you must say, we did it, also did it. Now people say, I got to say, the Oye police station chairman, and that's why a party no get there. Obi or that's a Oye of it is a okay, sir. The Oye police station chairman ought to be the constituency chairman. Never know for Oye police station chairman. Because that is why the police station chairman is of a sort of anyone. Monfa na bomu. And now go and excellent. Again, sir, ought to be the regional chairman. I'm not constituency chairman. Because MPP, you know, you can't be a man for say, when you move, I say, when you're poor, if you want your son, or from your son, who in a watch at your one chance, it is a only your regional chairman, a member of your constituency chairman. Now, what you mean by your constituency chairman? Yeah, let's just go to some regional chairman. You will why? Again, sir, what you mean by your national chairman, a member of your regional chairman? Because for yet a human as a year, open engineering for so many one. Party Nakuma Yasante. Sawagodi chairman Bako, Sawagodi chairman Yenu, Sawagodi chairman Yesa, a busy gap. Now open national chairman and I want to go. Abba, you have to say. I see our father to Saba where I the last election, we say a DDEP, a confirmed almost a Yosika, and a Bufu, a middle class, high class. I say, Abawe, a almost a low class, no Nubia, Saba ever to the days, over Bufu, and the guy. I thought they'd be a Concasa. Because people can't catch your one, or should the Saud Doctor Wakakasi, or Casio. The farmers, open the farm will be. Now we come a doctor, we come a lawyer, now we come farm will be farm and question. You know, but don't get us as fee. But what to be called blue from one more? We just go. Eja against sister. And the class will jump. Yeah. But what to be called and say sites. The Babylon to me, they disappoint to one uncle to one more. Or the dog any against sister. Yeah. Mami mi kọ́ yẹ́ mi dọ́kítà kọ́ fún mi gbọ́ fún kẹ́sì ọ̀họ́ sáàkù ọ̀fọ́ sáà ẹni gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe ọ̀hún sẹ́fì títí ẹnu àná ẹ̀tún sáà. Ètì yẹn ló pọ́ìntì bíà ìpàdé àyè social media ọmọ òun yẹ bloggers ọmọ akọ́nà ẹ̀ ṣe na ọmọ pẹ̀ òbí ọ̀tí sẹ́kùn ètì sẹ́ ọkọ̀ fẹ́ ní búùkù ha òbí ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n pa ètì ẹ̀mí ìdẹ̀ni àná wà ẹ̀dí ẹ̀yìn ọ̀kàlì ìwú bi. And then I know again, I'm movie. A strategy. And then a strategy. Now, I don't know our form. I'm going to say, I'm going to say, I will show you back home. I will say, only be in a downfall. Send your wound to Yetiano or better. And I thought on the man, they say, put to me, good or part time or go group on Muswa. For the job of one no crack. Yeah, but I am. I don't think they will say to me about what we obey. Men and they will feel. When you mean your nation, you lose for your lose and famine. We need to be ready and we need. And God said, Papa move or move. No news. Say it's a so to be grass and take party at home here, and your MDB here, or the fan is simple. Papa, you shall. You shall. Now, about your way, listen to me. You're winning. And you're this around. Yay, Japanese. Make sure you say, they are called. You're very reading, so. You're very reading. You're very reading. One dream. You one dream. Because Chairman wants to be in these elections, he's going to win and get Dr. Bawumia. Now, Dr. Bawumia on Kwako School want to give her professors in doctors for my MPP. Now, what to make of our own post to Maya? Over middle class in the show to become. As what I said, the middle class in my Dr. Bawumia for Omobra. It's just here to know who's winning for partnership for victory. So we sit together with me. The dance music also is happening. Yes. Enjoy. Leave us follow. And I must say, Asante Region, Maya Malaya Fair. MPP, Maya Malaya Fair. Our party, Maya Malaya Fair. Maya Waduwa party. And you been there Kufuor's party. And you been there Ayana Nadu Dakwa Kufuor's party. So say you will vote Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia party. Yes. Yes, this era is Bawumia's party.
Bawumia's time be this.
Now, as incoming national chairman. I am Bawumia president now over Mediano. Obia Sawomu. Market for no Sawomu. Trainers for no Sawomu. Teacher for no Sawomu. Nurse for the doctors for no Sawomu. Ahima for any for no Sawomu. I am drivers no any betty for Sawomu. Farmers no Sawomu. What do you cut? What do you Obiasa Womu. Eti, I am my 50th birthday. With that, I'm Pisa. Wamuwa Ashanti Region Mirase. Rosalinda. As a former mayor, as a former deputy Ashanti Regional Minister, as a former Environment Minister, Deputy Environment Minister, as a currently Deputy Leader, Minority Leader, Deputy Minority Leader in our city. So soon the media you, the Field Marshal, the rock and the rock. The rock. And I said, no contest. The Minister, Oba Ashanti Region, Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, the election 2023 and 2026. What are the difference for Ashanti? And he is the chairman of the Sectional Caucus.
No contest. Yes.
Eti MP Samuel ina na kupo Samu. The General Secretary no ha. Aya me pada so MP. Avia mi move from Shire so to pada so. Oya mi ami ba na so mu ni ko ko dia dia. No ba be tra wo na so. Doctor Professor Kingsley Nyako. So, Regional Chairman. Guru East. So, Kenya Boyan, Kupoli Guru East for sale. Omon Famano. Regional Secretary Sahudwa Mowaha. Party Ma Mowaha. When you miss some, now, dear Bacopa and a dear name. A dear day and name, a election 2028. Election 2028. I know this for the reading you. And you're young, about who you and your handy over to MPC. Now, Miss Ramo said the enemy Kasa.
Oka said me your constituency chairman ya to so about premier no. Regional chairman ya to so about premier sir. Chairman want to be the I'm not a perfect person, but I'm good to lead.
Beautiful.
Now you want power and you lose. You buy power no. You renew you know what me pay so. And you lose back as you want me pay so. Now my sweat here. Our bra you renew you know you lose back so. That's your. Na me samu ko se adie biara esi ya antwe ya ama 2024 no awe akoto aba no besramo awo buzi atankwa ani dombodi mu awo Yesu Kristo di mu mo konkoto aba mfama yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia na sabe ye national chairman the grassroots are going to be respected. I know as a national chairman, when I become a national chairman, I know the elites are going to be a backbone. But the grassroots, we are going to serve you. We are going to serve you. Meaning, my dear, that was here, Eruti and may come from you as a grassroots to partner with academians. And when we partner with them, by God's grace, by the grace of God, and in the name of Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, all of you are going to be served. All of you is going to be served. And to Munyuma Mosheshe, Patra Kosro, and yet Koko Fua, yet Yamoka, Neati Musika so, I am electricity, you know. Now, electricity bills in the Kosro. And yet, teacher for a yet Yamoka, and that's for yet Yamoka. Any medium more. Professionals, maybe a school number 1 certificate. Let's move your Jumaniano. Emre Biba. Abelana Ebano. Message I'm going to coordinate as an MPP national chairman to make sure that all the people who qualify to work are set. Yes. Are set. So I'm going to make sure. And to me, I say, Eric, I'll be born, you know, man. And yeah, grassroots people are who have to send me weather. I am a special assistant telling you more. And yeah, Papa, yeah, is Siasari. I am here, or here back. Any ahima for Abuba has said, you know, that Amuna was Yemia, a year 2024 campaign chairman. Deborah Oparea Sam. We are going to work together to make sure send me a money baby. The Beya Mayura, Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Na Minya Aluta. Aluta. Asoka chairman so Ewaha, Reverend Lewasi. May the Moya point of contact for all Ashanti regional MPP constituency chairman and all the executives. Madam Masse, Yama Bushia, Mema, and a Megare. That's not President Fosua. Madam Masse, oh, but the man of Padilla, Honorable Bitubai, Honorable Napobai, and Penny for me, Deputy Second speaker so by obi a obebaye bia na bi the general secretary and the asenso boache bantima asenso boache me aka seminia me da obi bia wabua all the media very fine waba beda habe na miesa
Very fine.
ana mi ame ba ko na kwati do e ba ka bla kwati me ba emia susu de me nyi no ne free asuminya me ba bla
See my tape.
yes it is say enchebia no yade timuntu mi ayede wele national chairman e ba butuga Musa honorable George Oduro wa ha ana ba Musa bia kasame ba David Wachi susu wa ha Sasuna Justice has been a good supporter the same name Obama Obi bia wa bo bia second vice Yakubu Shram honestly I mean Shram Obi bia was a people di bia no I mean Shram ana muso so amoso mi mu abebe pim sabre Dr. Wachi Acosta I mean Shram Obi biara Echia Obi biara na Sarek wa ha Erikus wa ha Lesra no no o se ko abi Eso so mudidi no the bear for me and the trap at the atwase and the amane because no money there of the twase pa na me ho no koso enjoy na me ho no koso and say di wi no Lesra set 2014 no abra ye ba no treasure Abankwa no free Eastern region. No free Eastern region. Aya Otiko Afisa Japa no free Eastern region. The deputy Aya National Women Organizer Kejemfua no free Eastern. Sabia Uku other youth organizer no free Eastern region. No free Eastern. Aya Obade, what year? No one a year. Third vice chairman, no free Eastern. Anna Abankoya Boa treasure no free Eastern. Now you come to say diaspora Susua. Now you former deputy minister of foreign affairs. Oredu. Ono ena na ye ewo ono so free Eastern sa susu ana ne hwa administrator susu a na ya tefa no free Eastern o free ho ana CNN bedi na de no free Eastern ana aye Nasara no free Eastern yes yeah but 2016 elections and then I'm for the break kase Omo ba national chairman bebre national chairman untumi ba national chairman untumi e mema no adentina ebi mu soso de omo so ba bepebie no kasam ne say 2024 na general secretary free Ashanti na chairman efri buno na so yensa ka de o se yensa ka Yensaka dear was Yensaka. But no one free Eastern, no, every near 2016. But 2024, no, Yashay Muno, Yantimia Wene, Ashanti region, we are going to have a new regional chairman. Sasuso, Anna, Reggie Bia Subeniano, regional chairman. And say, oh, yeah, national chairman, Greater Accra, who will be regional chairman. And the best I will say, I am regional, national, we should vote about competency, not about the regional base.
see yes, you will say, Ashanti region. Yes, you never call.
Social one, the chairman, the general secretary, and the running mates. One appointment. It will be a one appointment. It will be a one appointment. So we are not going to criticize about this. So thank you. May God bless you. I love you. So Eric Kuswaha, offer the very forth.
Yes. Say your chairman can sign your very man. The chairman himself has spoken. The chairman himself has spoken. See, I had a chairman was so but celebrate of the national. You are watching a evening. My uncle.
Yeah. to